Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create read more, show more button in your Shopify online store. So if you are looking easy and fast solution, then you can continue this tutorial. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you the real project, what I am actually going to do right now. So I'm going to my CodePen account. So here is my CodePen account and I have created a pen right here. Let me show you. So here is the picture that actually I'm going to add in our Shopify online store. I'm going to show you how you can draw this in fast way and very easily without any coding skills. So I hope you will enjoy these tutorials. So now I'm going to log in my Shopify online store. Click on the login. Here is the dashboard of my online store. Now I am going to click on the online store. Then click on the customize. I have opened customer section in another tab. So I want to add the read more, read less section right here under this product. So I'm going to click on the add a section, custom HTML, select. Here I am going to add my custom HTML. So first I want to change the view editor. First I want to add the HTML. So copy this HTML code from here. Then I'm going to copy this CSS code. So I can add this code right here. Just type this style and add my code under this style, and I'm going to remove some extra code from here. For example, remove this one, body background, I don't need this one. Also I am going to remove this one. Okay, I have added the CSS code from here and paste this code right here. Okay, now I'm going to my admin panel and click on the edit code button. And